When it comes to improving a home's exterior, few upgrades make as dramatic an impact as professional window installation. In Melville, where homes blend timeless charm with modern design, new windows can elevate a property's curb appeal while adding value, comfort, and energy efficiency. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful exterior, window installation is one of the smartest investments you can make. Transforming the look of your home. Windows are the eyes of a home. They define its personality. Installing new, stylish windows instantly updates the appearance of your property. Homeowners in Melville often choose from a variety of designs, such as casement, bay, double-hung, or picture windows, to complement their home's architectural style. Modern window frames come in numerous colors and finishes, from sleek black aluminum to warm wood tones that accentuate brick or stone facades. The right design can balance symmetry, highlight architectural features, and create a polished, cohesive look that enhances first impressions. Even subtle upgrades, like replacing outdated window grids or opting for larger glass panels, can make the home appear more spacious, bright, and contemporary. Boosting natural light and exterior harmony. Professional window installation doesn't just enhance what others see from the street, it transforms how your home feels inside. Larger and better positioned windows invite more natural light, making interiors appear airy and welcoming. From the outside, that same illumination creates a warm, inviting glow that enhances nighttime curb appeal. Melville homeowners often find that new window designs bring greater harmony between interior and exterior spaces. Picture windows, for instance, frame outdoor views like artwork, while sliding windows offer a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Enhancing energy efficiency and sustainability. A beautiful home isn't only about looks, it's about performance. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows improves both appearance and practicality. Modern installations feature advanced glazing, weather stripping, and insulated frames that reduce energy loss. In Melville's climate, where temperature changes can be significant, energy-efficient windows help maintain comfortable indoor conditions while cutting heating and cooling costs. These improvements not only make your home more sustainable but also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers, a growing trend in today's housing market. Additionally, many modern windows are designed with UV protection that prevents fading of interior furnishings, helping your home stay vibrant and well kept for years to come. Increasing property value and market appeal. Curb appeal directly influences a home's market value. Realtors consistently note that buyers are drawn to homes with new, stylish, and well-installed windows. The clean lines, improved symmetry, and updated aesthetic give an impression of care and quality maintenance. In a competitive Melville real estate market, new windows can make your home stand out. Potential buyers often see them as a signal that the home is energy efficient, structurally sound, and move-in ready. This perceived value often translates to higher offers and faster sales. Improving comfort and security. While the visual benefits are undeniable, professional window installation also enhances comfort and security. High-quality frames and locking mechanisms offer better protection against weather, noise, and intruders. For homeowners living near busy streets or commercial areas in Melville, modern insulated windows provide superior soundproofing, creating a peaceful indoor environment that complements the exterior beauty of the home. Customization for every home style. Whether your Melville home is a classic colonial, a mid-century gem, or a contemporary masterpiece, custom window installation ensures a perfect match. Professionals can tailor the size, frame material, and design to suit your vision and property layout. For example, bay or bow windows add dimension and charm to traditional homes, while minimalist vinyl or aluminum frames pair perfectly with modern architecture. With so many options available, you can express your personal style while improving your home's overall appeal. Final thoughts. Investing in window installation in Melville is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a transformation that combines elegance, functionality, and value. New windows enhance curb appeal by giving your home a fresh, modern look while boosting natural light, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Whether you're aiming to impress guests, attract buyers, or simply enjoy a more beautiful living space, professionally installed windows offer one of the best returns on investment for Melville homeowners. A stunning exterior begins with clear, stylish, and expertly crafted windows that reflect the pride you take in your home.